Hi, it's Pamela. In this tutorial, we're going to create an interactive product video using Doodly and Voomly Cloud.
Hey, and welcome to the official Doodly YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please click the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight to the video.
Interactive videos are a great way to engage viewers, making them feel part of the experience. Today, we're going to create a video for a fictional tea company, Acme Teas, where viewers can choose between 3 types of teas. We'll be using Doodly to create the animations and Voomly Cloud to add the interactive elements. You'll see this video that I have here, Choose Your Acme Tea Adventure. It's very short, it's 10 seconds long, and it's very basic. This is our opening scene, and what we're going to do is we're going to add some interactive buttons in Voomly Cloud that say herbal tea, black tea, and green tea. And then the viewer can click whichever one of them that they're interested in to see the actual video that corresponds with it. If I go back to my videos, you'll see I have made a closing scene and a green tea scene and an herbal tea scene. Now let's just take a look at one of these. So this is, if they click the green tea button, they'll get this video. It's about 20 seconds long. It talks about the benefits of this tea. And what we'll do at the end is, we'll put a little button here that will take them to the actual website where they can order the teas. Same is true of the herbal teas. It's just a little bit different, whatever's relevant for it. And then the black teas one, I didn't make yet, so we'll make that now. So for the black teas one, what I can do is I could take one of these 2 videos and basically make a copy of it. So let's take green teas and let's just right click on it and choose duplicate and OK. And let's go ahead and click into it. Let's rename it right here, black teas. Since this is a duplicate, we'll want to get rid of the voiceover because that's going to be irrelevant to the black tea. And of course, we'll change all of this stuff. Let's go back to our main one. So this headline is going to be, I'm going to choose a different character because I want a different character for each tea type. So go to characters. And what I did is I just typed in drink to see all the ones that are holding a drink. So this looks like a cup of tea. So we'll have her. I'm just going to replace. She's facing the wrong way. So I'm going to just flip her, a little larger, robust and full-bodied. And if you want to get these lined up perfectly, Control or Command click, right click, align left, should be pretty good. Let's bring in our voiceover, go to the Sounds tab. I already recorded it, so I'm going to hit the plus sign. Let me browse for my files. Here it is. And let's go to show preview, just see what we need to do adjustment wise. You've selected black teas, the bold, rich choice to kickstart your day. Our black teas are robust and full-bodied, made from high-quality leaves grown. Okay, so let's take a little bit of time off here. And then just a little bit of a delay here. Okay. So that is basically it. So we want to export this to Voomly Cloud. So what you do is you go to export and upload to Voomly. I want to choose 720 as my resolution, is what I'm using for this particular example, and hit save and export. Doodly and Voomly Cloud are part of the same family. And if you have the Voomly Cloud subscription, that's the way you have Doodly, then you will have this option to upload to Voomly. If not, you can try a free trial version and see if you like it. Okay, that's done. If you want, you can click right here where it says Cloud Rendering, and it'll take you, if you click this little icon here, right to the video in Voomly. As you'll see, I already did this with my other examples in this series. So I have the opening, I have the closing, I have the herbal teas, the green teas, and the black teas that I just created with you. Now that we have them all together in Voomly Cloud, we can create what's known as an interactive video. So click here, create interactive video. Let's give it a name. We're going to call it Acme Tea Company Product. just do product promo. Choose your favorite teas. So the first thing you're going to see is this empty project. And what we want to do is bring in our very first video. So go down here to Video Drive, Show Videos. Find the folder, which right here I have the Doodly Movies folder. And we want to pick the opening. So the very first one in the scene. So let's go ahead and pick this one. And you just drag it into the canvas. And notice it says Start. So that's always going to be the first one. So now we can bring in our others. So let's just bring them in one at a time. Black tea, green tea, herbal tea, and then the closing video. Now we can go ahead and hide those. So here's the basic layout of our interactive video funnel. We're always going to start at the beginning. We're going to give them 3 choices. They're going to click one of the choices. They'll see the video. And then when that ends, they'll go to this closing scene. But nothing's connected yet. So let's go ahead and save it. And then let's go ahead and click our first one. Now we can come over here and add our interactions. We're going to add buttons. So here's our first one. When you click the button, you can move it. I think we'll have it like right here for the first one. And then we can go over here and give it names. So we're going to say green teas. If we want to change the button color, we can do that. So let's just use purple, and that'll be fine. Let's go back to green teas. On click, we want it to play another video. Which video? Well, it's called the green teas, so let's choose green teas. These are all starting at the beginning of the video. That may or may not be what we want. I think we probably don't want them to come on right away, so let's just see. I'd say right about here when it's finishing up saying choose your own tea adventure. So let's just move this here. And then the same with this. If we want them to kind of staircase, we can stagger them just a little bit, like so. And now you'll see that we have some actions happening. When they click herbal teas, they go to this herbal teas video. Black teas to this black teas video. Green teas to the green teas video. So then now we want each of these to point to the closing. So let's go ahead and click herbal teas. And when it gets to the end of this video, we're going to give them a couple choices. So we could do the standard button here. Thank you. And then we'll do one more. Okay, so on the order now, on click, do nothing. On click, we want to open URL. And by default, it goes to voomly.com. We're going to change it to our custom URL, which would be acmeteaco.co, which I don't know. Maybe somebody has that URL. I don't know. This is fictional, just making it up. So that is that. And then on the thank you, on nothing, we want to play another video. Which video? And we're going to choose the closing one. Okay, so now you'll see that we have when video ends. It just takes them right there to T closing. Do the same for the next one. Now this time I'm going to show you something else. First, let me do the URL. I'm going to leave it at this default just so you can see an actual website. Okay, so you'll notice I only did one button this time. I did not do the second one that takes you to the closing video. So yes, I want to save that. So what we could do instead is do it right here. When video ends, just drag it there to T closing so that they don't have to click a button. It's just going to end. If they don't choose to go to the URL, it'll just automatically take them there. I'm going to do the same on this one just while we're here. Then finally on T closing, let's do one last thing. You could also, if you don't want to direct them off to the ordering page, you could have them play the videos over. It's up to you, whatever you want to do, but this will work. So again, this would be to your specific ordering page. So that is our interactive funnel. Let's take a look at how it works. So I'm going to hit share, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. Let's open a new browser, paste it in. And first up, we're going to see the opening scene. Are you in the mood for a cup of tea? At Acme Teas, we have something for everyone. Choose your favorite tea below. So we'll click Black Teas. You've selected Black Teas, the bold, rich choice to kickstart your day. Our black teas are robust and full-bodied, made from high-quality leaves grown in the finest tea estates. They're the perfect way to boost your energy in the mornings or power through your afternoon slow. Packed with flavor and antioxidants, our black teas offer a bold and satisfying experience with every sip. So if I click Order Now, it's going to take me to the... And again, we're pretending that this is our actual order page. And there you have it. That's how you can use Doodly and Voomly together to create an interactive product promotion where people can view whichever video appeals to them, whatever they're looking for. I hope this gives you some ideas. Thank you for watching.